Let's get you an excerpt of the exclusive conversation that India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai had with Andhra Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. So much at stake in Andhra Pradesh, because remember that it's not just a general election but also an assembly election in the state of Andhra. And as we've been seeing political battle lines being drawn, here is the conversation that Rajdeep had with Jagan on the alliance, the possible post-poll alliance with the BJP, and also about the attack that happened on him during his bus yatra.
What is the nature of relationship? For the last 5 years, we've seen in Parliament, outside Parliament, by and large, YSRCP has supported Prime Minister Modi. Now we are told because you've got a strong minority vote here, you don't want to be seen to be on the same side as the Prime Minister. What is the reality of your relationship with the centre and the Prime Minister?
I think rather than asking me, Rajdeep, see, they're the people who tied up, they're the people who are currently in tie-up with Chandrababu Naidu. So you should ask Chandrababu Naidu and Modi what their relationship is.
He says Mr. Naidu says we are together for development. Both Prime Minister and I want the development of Andhra Pradesh.
So if they are together, it is development. If Jagan and I were to maintain a cordial relationship because I am the Chief Minister and because he is the Prime Minister, then it's for something else.
Would you support the government at the centre if, let's say, Mr. Modi is 20 seats short, you have 20 MPs?
See, why do we talk about a hypothetical situation when they're together fighting against me and I'm fighting against them? So where is the question of this hypothetical situation coming up?
This election, your sister, as I said, has been pitted against you. Does that trouble you? Does that leave you dismayed that your legacy is getting fractured? And the Congress party, of which he was the Chief Minister, has put up the sister, YS Sharmila.
No, what I'm hurt is not because she's contesting. The reason I'm hurt is because she will lose deposits. It pains me the most to see her lose deposits, because what she's done is not right. The very party that has put my father's name in the charge sheet, the very party that has filed these fabricated cases on me. And you know who the petitioners in my case are? None other than Congress and TDP. And today, you know who's driving my sister or the Congress party in the state? None other than Chandrababu Naidu through Revant.
You're making a very serious allegation. You're claiming Chandrababu Naidu and Revant Reddy have propped up YS Sharmila to take you on in Andhra Pradesh.
Absolutely. Congress party is remote controlled by Chandrababu Naidu, as the BJP is being remote controlled by Chandrababu Naidu. Today Jagan is fighting just not one BJP. He's also fighting the Congress. And
Chandrababu Naidu, it seems to have become very personal. Even during this campaign, it's become very personal, the kind of language you use against each other. And Mr. Naidu claims that this entire incident of you being hit by a stone is drama. For Jagan is trying to create sympathy for himself. Nothing like this happened. Some small stone was thrown. These are his words. And Jagan Mohan Reddy has created this drama to get sympathy. So it's gone down to that level. He claims that you arrested him wrongfully, sent him to prison, that Jagan Mohan Reddy is running Andhra like a dictator. Anyone who questions him is thrown into prison.
I think the most important thing is, Rajdeep, see the stone, what they speak about. Who threw the stone? It was their people who got this, who actually threw the stone.
He denies that.
What are we talking here, Rajdeep? And somebody has the audacity to actually say that. I mean, if Chandrababu Naidu feels so like that, let Chandrababu Naidu stand there. I'll give you the opportunity to throw 10 stones at him at the same speed at which I was hit, each resulting in 3 stitches. And let sympathy come to him.
And you can catch that full 30-minute interview with Andhra Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy at 10:30 this evening on a special edition of Elections Unlocked with Rajdeep Sardesai.